Sicon Works Order Processing, WOP, is designed for businesses requiring a flexible solution to control the cost elements that go into their manufacturing processes, such as materials, labour, machine time and subcontractor operations. Designed specifically for Sage 200 and integrating with BOM and stock control, users have the ability to generate amendable works orders from BOMs or start from a blank works order where no BOM exists. This makes Sicon WOP an ideal addition for clients in manufacturing who need a simplified stock allocation and issuing process with the ability to amend. Manufacturing processes can be enhanced through the inclusion of additional Sicon modules such as barcoding and warehousing, shop floor data capture, SFDC, projects and material and resource planning, MRP. With these modules, functionality can be extended to include features such as picking stock for works orders, capturing time against production operations, linking to projects for rolled up costing of complex builds, and visibility of demand for what needs to be made and/or purchased. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon WOP is written into the Sage 200 development environment and fully integrates with relevant areas including sales order processing, BOM and stock control. Real-time data availability. Centralized data within Sage 200 enables businesses to make better informed decisions through data accuracy and visibility. Flexible solution. Appealing to a wide range of organizations, Sicon WOP can cater for discrete, continuous, bespoke and hybrid production processes. Key benefits. Create works orders from the standard Sage 200 BOMs with version control. Bulk backflush processing with traceable item support. Sage stock transaction history shows WOP issues and bookings. Option to explode multi-level BOMs into a single works order list. Create works orders from WOP templates. Overruns can be booked to stock without the need to add more components. A works order estimate can be linked to a sales order quote line, allowing users to build up the relevant cost elements required, providing an accurate estimated finished product cost is available. Quotation pricing can be derived from selling prices for the components or from a markup on the cost of the works order elements. Uses standard component costing methods for accurate cost roll-up. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.